International Forum, Enhancing Youth Participation Through Cross-Sectoral Collaboration, took place in April 2025 in Jumala, Latvia. Voices from the Forum, an exclusive interview series. From your unique experience as a young youth worker, why do you think it's important to work across sectors to enhance youth participation?
From my experience as a young youth worker, I often see that real change never happens in one sector alone. So cross-sectoral collaboration is something that we can do to make youth participation more sustainable. And I think it gives young people this kind of sense of trust, and it also gives them the confirmation that you are welcome here and you are welcome in all spaces, not just in the youth space. Because youth centers have amazing informal learning settings, but they may lack connection with the formal ones. Also schools, they can reach a lot of people, a lot of young people, but they might lack the flexibility of going a bit further from the academics. And then the municipality, they have the decision-making processes, but without youth voices at the table, these decisions, they can go missing. They might miss the mark.
New Power in Youth Strategic Partnership.